Gear up.
Yeah, it's a lot better. What was it? This plane is a gremlin though, right?
It is a gremlin.
Because you had the afterburner issue too, right?
Yeah.
Time remains.
Or the tail rods would on any other aircraft. So they're responsible for pitch. Another pack on this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. That was like textbook. Or maybe
There you go.
I'm gonna go up a little bit higher before I pull it out of state. Because I feel like a feels good now. Look at that.
There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah. It was.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, landing. Right to left.
50%. Time remaining 1 minute.
You ever got any ugly planes and you just planes you don't...
Gear down.
I'm about to have no plane. Uh-oh. This one's already done.
No.
No, no.
10,
Got it.
9, 8,
No, I don't.
7, 6. 50%. Gear up. 5%, 50%.
But the F-18's got so much more vertical thrust.
Beautiful approach.
25%, 0, 25%, 0.
Nice. Good. Very nice.
I like this plane though. Got a little. Can't really do a loop yet
Why not?
because I'm not used to the P factor when I get full. Four. You're missing all the fun.
0. 25%. 50%. Gear up.
Once you come around on the next circuit, then I'll take off.
Okay.
50%. 50%. 50%. 0. 25. 0. 50%. 0. 25%. 30 seconds.
Yeah, and hopefully I didn't damage it.
50%. 20 seconds.
Shake it off, Johnny. Shake it off.
50%. 50%. 10. 0. 28. 0. 20. 0. 25. 0.
Coming right behind you.
25.
Get out of your way.
4. 0. Brake closed.
My light's loose, that's why.
Oh, that last test of mine is testing the durability on that bad boy.
5%. 0.
Fun down.
Percent. Gear up.
What's better today, though?
I got my A10 ready.
50%. 25%.
Okay, you're good?
0. 20. 0.
Oh, shit.